medyo familiar yung start natin na into the conference simulator.
Yeah.
Sabi niyo.
Actually, it's really a top one for us, and I keep on telling them we don't want the last conference happen to us again, because this time, a lot of teams is really improving really well, because of the inclusion of the import, ganyan, and it's very obvious na every team is trying to get a big import so that they can match up with our bigs, especially Junmar. But it's hard for us, because we thought na somebody could help us, and this is what I'm keep on telling the team. So it's always in the first few games nag-struggle tayo, but I don't want to be KJ because after the championship, so there are 3 players na naglalaro sa Gilas, so they joined the team 2 weeks before, and that's not enough. And the 2 key players, Chris Ross and Cruz, talagang really important part of the team, and it's very obvious our game, nakita natin na outrun kami, but although we scored 109, but it's a lot of points, it's a winning score sana, but we did not play a good defense, and we allowed them to score 29 points, the fast break and turnover points. I think that's the culprit. Turnover points is 29, that's 58 points, easy points, and that's half of the score of our opponent, and it's a terrible performance of our team.
Coach, you've touched upon yung about sa import. Parang napansin namin, hindi nyo na natin siya ginamit for the entirety of the fourth season.
Yeah, I thought because we're done by 21 points, and I have to give some chance to the local player, but we're able to catch up to 4, but 4 points, I think, in the last 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But we committed a lot of turnover, and it resulted to easy points for them, and that's really hard us. But I told the team na in every success, failure is always included in the success, and I hope. And then nabanggit ko sa kanila what happened to us last conference, but it's really dangerous sa kanila, because the next few games, it's really the top team ng mga kalaban namin. It's Converge, Token Tex, and then yung Macau, yung Ginebra, Magnolia. So it's really tough for us, but let's see. So how can we adjust, okay, to the game plan. Kanina nakikita mo, out-hustle talaga kami.
Kung sila Jericho tsaka si Chris Ross, status nangyari sa kanila?
Yeah, a few days ago, I was briefed by our PT na coming from the doctor, giving him 2 weeks to recuperate from his injury, but he's starting to lift weights and then some conditioning, but the game shape is not, and then Chris Ross, although he's in the practice, but he's not joining the practice, 3 weeks yung binigay ng doctor, and I hope na ma-fast track yung kanyang situation, because it's obvious kanina na we need somebody who could lead the team.